What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna go over Fund Bitcoin. Currently sitting at about 22.7. As you can see, 22.7. Crypto.com thinks it's 22.9, but it's not. Down 1.4 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 440 billion. 24-hour volume, 29.82 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitcoin, this is where I do the majority of my trading. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses, and then email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto completely for free. All you have to do is sign up to one of the exchanges. Let's hop into the chart. So we broke the wave 1 low, higher likelihood of a wave 3. I was talking about how I believe further downside was a more probable scenario, and currently that is what we're seeing. So what I'm looking at is that you've come down in a wave 1 of the wave 3, looking for a wave 2 pullback. We already met the minimum target at 22.7, but you may see a push up into this box in between 22.9 and 23.2 for a wave 2. If it breaks above the 0.786, less likely it's a wave 2. But as of right now, this is what I'm focused on there. You're going to come down and at least a wave 4 and then push up in a wave 5. But if you break 1990, the 0.5 and the Fibonacci would invalidate that as a wave 4 pullback. And you can be more focused on a larger wave 2. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at right now for BTC. We talked about yesterday. We'll quickly pop over to the daily time frame that we had consolidated in the 2019 bear market bottom for 20 days before dropping, and we did drop rather swiftly here. Unlike my internet connection is not so swift. As you can see, we had quite a swift drop. A one daily candle, we dropped after 20 days of consolidation about 9%, which is a big move for BTC. Now we've been consolidating for 20 days and we started to slowly sell off. As you can see here, this is 20 days of consolidation. So maybe we'll see that swift drop once again. I'm watching this basically a rounding top, or you could look at it as a double top pattern, which would take you down to 21.2K, especially if we lose the 20 EMA. The money flow has crossed the 50 line. Higher likelihood it will come down to the bottom of the channel, which is at 20 on the money flow, and the RSI is continuing to lose strength as we just kind of hang out up here. So we'll have to see what plays out. If the bullish scenario were to play out, which I think is unlikely, but anything can happen, then your next resistance is up here at 25K. But I think that's the much less probable scenario. The DXY has been rolling over and selling off, and you really haven't seen a strong bounce for Bitcoin, so that can be taken as a sign of bullish weakness. The fact that the DXY is dropping and you've really only seen a tiny bounce for the price of BTC shows that the bulls are losing strength and the bears are in control, in my opinion. So we'll look to see if we put in a nice little ABC. This could be a wave A, B, C into this yellow box. As I mentioned, we have met the minimum target for wave 2, but if we do push higher, look for a rejection in between 22.9 and 23.2K. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to either Bitcoin or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, giving market updates, all types of goodies in the Discord here. Completely for free. If you sign up to one of the exchanges, email me your sign-up email. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, which can be very helpful along your trading journey with making your own positions with your own trades. Crypto news, which I update regularly. Just updated some juicy little news articles today. The member profits, they like to post their profits in here from their own trades. As you can see, some of them are absolutely crushing it, and some of them also show their trade setups in the Discord. Mahalo all plays. 10 USD per month. All right, gang, sign up through the Patreon link. Smash a like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.